Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Armando Science with ScienceDigital.com, and I wanted to make this quick video to show my appreciation for Rob and Ed and the entire Clicks Geeks team. These guys have been great to work with. Their knowledge is far beyond what anybody else is in the industry that I've encountered as far as PPC goes. When I first started working with Clicks Geek, I was working with a client who was spending, I think, about 30 to 40,000 a month roughly on PPC, and the cost per lead in that industry was about $200+ per lead. And within a week and a half or two of working with ClicksGeek, they were able to lower that cost per lead to like $50, somewhere around that range. And then after about week 3 or 4, they were able to lower it even further down to in the 30 range. So it was a great experience. It has always been a great experience. These guys are always willing to help you out. They're always willing to jump on the phone and take the time and answer any of my questions and any of my clients' questions. And I really, truly appreciate all the help that you guys have given me. They're a top-notch operation. So if anybody's on the fence about going with a PPC agency, don't be. These are the guys that you want to work with. Unless you really like headaches and trouble, then go with somebody else. But if you just really want to save yourselves the headache and you want somebody that knows what they're doing, it's going to do all the heavy lifting for you, and it's going to do it right, and somebody who actually cares about the success of your business and your campaign, then these are the guys to go with. Thank you guys again for all the help that you guys have been giving me throughout the years.